LG 27UK850 Review, 4K IPS FreeSync Monitor with USB-C. The LG 27UK850W monitor is predicated on an IPS panel which ensures accurate, consistent, and vibrant colors, making this display adequate for professional photo editing tasks. It supports 10-bit color depth, 8-bit plus 2-bit FRC, it's factory calibrated, and it covers 99% of the sRGB color space. The 4K UHD resolution ensures stunning detail clarity with over 8 million pixels, which on the 27" screen of the LG 27UK850 display result in a high pixel density of 163 pixels per inch. Such high pixel density will make everything look tiny, in turn, make everything bigger, crispier and more detailed. Further, the standard peak brightness of 350 nits will get a little and contrast ratio for a correct HDR without a minimum of 90% DCI-P3 color gamut, entry-level HDR 400 certification. Nonetheless, some HDR content does look better and more vibrant on the LG 27UK850, but not nearly as good as it does on certain more capable, and more expensive, HDR monitors, and IPS glow present on the LG 27UK850 4K monitor. Overall, the monitor's performance is without issues. The wide 178° viewing angles will ensure that the picture looks amazing no matter the angle you're looking at the screen, and has an integrated filter against the harmful low blue lights. When it comes to gaming, set the response time setting in the OSD on-screen display menu to faster to get the advertised 5 milliseconds response time speed. There's no prominent ghosting or motion blur visible even in fast-paced video games. If you favor better graphics over performance, 4K quite makes up for it. Features. Moving on, the LG 27UK850 HDR monitor offers many additional features. You will find all the common features found on LG monitors, such screen split to divide the screen into different layouts for multitasking, and advanced picture adjustments such as 6-axis, gamma, etc. Other gaming features include black stabilizer, which alters the dynamic action sync, which further reduces input lag, and pre-calibrated picture presets for FPS and RTS game genres. Using the HDR effect feature, you'll simulate HDR for non-HDR content. Additionally, there are 4 different HDR modes: HDR Vivid, HDR Standard, HDR Game, and HDR Cinema. Finally, the LG 27UK850 supports AMD FreeSync. If you connect the monitor to a compatible AMD graphic card, FreeSync removes all screen tearing penalty for a smoother gaming experience. The LG 27UK850 FreeSync range is 40 to 60 Hz (FPS) frames per second. You'll experience no screen tearing nor stuttering. While FreeSync works without issues when used with AMD cards, and therefore the Xbox One users with compatible NVIDIA cards may run into some design and connectivity. The design of the monitor is modern yet simple with thin bezels, so it will fit in any environment. Moreover, it offers versatile ergonomics, including up to 110mm height adjustment, -5 degrees, 20 degrees tilt, 90 degrees pivot, and 100 by 100mm VESA mount compatibility, but you cannot swivel the screen to the left or right. The LG 27UK850 27" monitor has rich connectivity options, including 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.2, a USB-C port, a dual USB 3.0 hub, a headphones jack, and 2 5W max audio built-in speakers, and power delivery up to 60W. So, you'll simultaneously transfer 4K video, audio, data, and power to a compatible device with only one cable. Note that when the USB-C port isn't used because of the upstream port, the USB hub is restricted to the USB 2.0 bandwidth, so you'll stream content from Netflix, Amazon Video, etc. in 4K UHD. FreeSync works over both HDMI. Price and similar monitors. The LG 27UK850 usually goes for around $450. LG's UK series consists of 2019 models. This monitor may be additionally available because the LG 27UL850, which is a 2020 variant, that goes for around $550. The only difference between these two models is that the UL850 has display HDR 400 certified HDR support. However, its specs are just tweaked up to urge this certificate because the display still lacks a wide color gamut and proper contrast ratio, and just going for whichever is cheaper. In case you would like a good cheaper USB-C monitor, inspect the Philips 272P7 VUBNB, which matches for just $350. The Philips 272P7 VUBNB supports power delivery up to 65W, and it even features an Ethernet port. For more USB-C monitors with DP Alt mode and power delivery, inspect our dedicated Best USB-C Monitor Guide. Conclusion: all in all, the LG 27UK850 IPS monitor is ideal for anyone who wants a 4K display with HDR, FreeSync, and USB-C. If you don't care for HDR and AMD FreeSync though, there are more cost-effective alternatives.